Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use date range, how to index with date, and how to add column of year, column of month. So let's begin. So write df equal to pd dot read csv. I'll be using my forest fires file csv. Now print the head out there, and you can see out there the indexing is done by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to index this line with some date. For that reason, right out there, my index equal to pd dot date range. Give their starting date. Let's give 04/05/2020 and give out their periods. So periods, I am keeping that blank, and frequency freq equal, let's give 2 into 1 second. Okay, so I will be taking data after 2 seconds, and I will be taking total data of, so let's count the number of index out there. So index, now print the length out there, so print len. So this command will give the number of index out there. So I will be writing out there length, len length of, what should I say, df dot index. Okay, okay. Now if I want to set the date at as index, so write this set index. Now keep my index out there, so equal df. Now print the head of df, and you can see I have changed the indexing out there. Okay, and I have this is for number of index. Okay, so now I want to make a column of index, so just write out there a blank data frame, so pd so data frame, keep that blank one. Now I want to date info, so this is my column out there. Oh shit, I missed again. I have to write my date column equal to, again write pd dot date range. Now give the date, first date as 1, then second month and year of 2020, and give the periods of, give out there 1000 data or 10,000, then give out their frequency, what should be the interval of taking data. Let's give 1 day. Okay, no, 1 second should be fine. So now I will be giving my date column out there. Now print the data file. Okay, let's keep out their PD. So you can see, let's give their head, and you can see this is my date info column, and this is the date out there. Now I want to increase some columns, so right there df, right there month, year. Okay. So year equal to, now I will be giving df dot date info right dt dot name, oh sorry, year. Now bring the head, and you will be having another column out there of the year. Okay, now I want to have a column of month, so give write out their month and give a df dot date info. So date info name comes from this column name. Okay, you can give any name, dt dot month, run the code, and you will be having another month out there. If I see the tails out there, and you can see the month out there, it is of month. So let's change this one. I'll be giving one min. Okay, again it's not okay, let's change this one. Okay, you will be having 3 months out there. Okay, so and this is year, and if you increase the number of periods, then you will be having year 2021. Okay, so now I want to give a column of, let's say, weekday. So weekday, right out there df dot date info dot dt dot weekday name. Oh, sorry. Now run the code. Okay, there is an error. Let's check. Okay, I have given df instead of dt, so right click, and you can see I have weekday name too. Okay, so this is how, and you can also make column of second out there. It's easy, just change the name out there. You can give any name. I am doing it fast, so you can give also seconds out there, and you will be having seconds column out there. So this is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.